Okay, well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining with me today. Um, Before we begin, I would like to introduce you myself first. My name is Ariel. I am a MBA student from ITB, and today I would like to use the opportunity to present to you one of my individual assignment. So let us begin. I am comparing between two companies. The first one is Airbus, and the other company is Traveloka. Airbus is one of 500 global companies from Forbes, and then Traveloka is one of unicorn companies. Financially, Airbus have 58 million euros revenues on 2021, and the number of employees is quite large. It is 134,000 compared to Traveloka, which only have 4 to 5,000 employees. But let us begin with Airbus first. So Airbus developed from 1969. They not only commercially, they also introduced their first military aircraft on 1971, and then on 1979 they introduced their first space shuttle product. From 1979 to 2005, Airbus continuously improved their product, and then bam, on 2005, A380 announced to the world. This is a first and the first largest passenger jet that has two stories full from the uh, front row to the tail row. And then on 2018, they introduced the Beluga Extra Large, which is for transporting the logistic. This is the Airbus business model. So they have a commercial airlines, military, space explorer, and logistics segmentation. And their value proposition is to become a pioneer in sustainable aerospace for a safe and united world. They have several key partners such as government, venture capital suppliers, and commercial airlines, companies, airplanes, manufacturers, and so on. The revenue streams they gain from aeroplane purchasing, from fighter jet purchasing, and maintenance services. So the next one is the innovation of products and services that have been developed from Airbus. Because aircraft is sensitive with issue of global warming, so Airbus needs to provide innovations such as low carbon aviation, zero E. This is a innovation that use hydrogen for aircraft fuel, and the last one is City Airbus Next Gen. This is basically a taxi, but flying taxi. From the bottom left, you may see all the features for the Airbus aircraft. This is to enhance comfort for passengers. So the next one is Traveloka. Traveloka is one of the Southeast Asia travel and lifestyle app that provide flight tickets, bus, trains, rental, airport transfer, and so on. But one thing for sure, they do not own the asset of airplane, bus, train, car, and other things. They only provide and they only connect people with agents or with hotels. This is the business model innovation for Traveloka. As you may see, the value proposition of Traveloka is to explore 1,000 options to enjoy, just as on the bottom right, you may see several choices to enjoy your vacation. To enhance, they also have several product and service innovations such as Traveloka Pay Later, Traveloka Guides, and Traveloka Experiences. In conclusion, Airbus focuses on collaboration, gathering technologies, and leveraging technologies to improve efficiency, while Traveloka focuses on data-driven data analytics and customer-centric and partnerships. Thank you all for your attention. I hope this presentation is useful to you. See you on another video. Thank you.